Yes, sir.
Should not hear niggas all week. Bro, why was it ever?
Yo, let's get back into this joint, right? You feel me? Because when was the last video I made? I don't know. I think me buying that another car. The last video I made was me buying the other car. And that was a month ago. I ain't make a video in a month. Shaking my head. Alright, since I bought that car, right? There's been a lot of shit going on. Can't even drive that car because can't get the title for it. I don't know if I should look at the screen or look at the camera. I don't know. Fuck it. Can't drive that car at all. Well, I can, but can't get it in my name and everything, right? Try to go by getting the title, can't get the title. So I'm like, alright, fuck it. I'ma just get the car and swap the parts over and everything. So I ain't start that until like last week or something like that. Yeah, last week we just swapping parts over. So I was gonna swap the hood, the bumper, and the back bumper to the car. The hood, the front bumper, and the back bumper and everything. So 2 weeks ago, excuse me, we swapped the hood and the front bumper. Took like 3 hours to do that, yo, because the way they put it on, bad John. So we did that and all that. Damn. So right now on my car, I got the hood and the bumper and all that. That's all we did. Like, that's all we did. But fast forward. So fast forward, right? I got the bumper and everything on my car. That's really it. Bumper and the headlights that was in that car. And that's really it. So, what have I done? I haven't done nothing. I ordered my shift kit. I ordered some brighter lights because the lights I got in my car right now, they only 8K. I ordered some 10K ones. What else? That's really it. Oh, I just ordered the paint for my car today. I'm not telling you that color. I just gotta order 2 more colors, then we'll be set. So yeah, I ordered the shift kit, the brighter lights, and the paint. I'm still not done. Still not done. Like, there you go. After all that stuff come, I gotta get brakes and rotors all the way around. What else? Brakes and rotors all the way around. And that's really it. Oh, I gotta change my trans fluid and all that. And if not, I'm really gonna drop that $2,000 on that trans. Yeah, this is just a little mini update on what I've been doing and shit. Because I haven't posted in a while, so I'm just trying to catch y'all up on everything and see what else. Hopefully my shift kit, hopefully the shift kit and the lights come today. Because it said the 27th, but when I looked on the app today, it said, I'm sorry. Oh! Y'all see that? Ah! Oh yeah. Ah, you got the email too. Boom! Good John. You feel me? You hear me? That's what I'm talking about. But yeah. Next, trans fluid filter change. Hopefully that does a little something. I need to see how much that shift solenoid is, because people said that's what it might be. So we'll see if that's it. I'll just order that part and just see if that's really it. You feel me? Oh, I gotta get the trans cooler too. The transmission cooler. That's on my list as well. It's coming. Time over time, it's coming. Had this car since February. Came a long way. So, well, let me see. Shift solenoid. How much is it? That shit only $8. That shit cheap. Yeah, so I'm gonna order this right now. It's only $8. I'm not ordering it if fucking what you call it gonna charge me an arm and a leg to ship it. Like, people be tripping. Like, if a part costs $8, I'm not paying $25 to ship it. You're tripping. Sorry. But yeah, hold on. Yo, why is not letting me shipping address? Like, what the? Come on, yo. Alright, so they only charging me, it's only gonna be like $11. That's not bad. If they let me like buy it, it keeps saying something wrong with my address, but I don't get it. How's something wrong with my address? Like, you feel me? But yeah, car coming together slowly but surely. You feel me? I got my windshield tinted too on my birthday. That's what I did as well. If y'all follow me on Instagram and all that, you'll know I got my windshield bomb. Windshield tinted. You feel me? Let me show you this real quick. See it right? Black. Look how bright these Jones are. Walk around to the front. To my headlights. These are 8K bulbs. I got 10K bulbs. I just didn't put them in. And I don't know why this fucking light, look. It's like all this water on it for some reason. I gotta get that checked out too. That's also moisty. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up and everything. Go subscribe to the YouTube, that black SS. Go follow me on the gram, that black_SS. Follow my main page, Lil_Hood27A. This video was ass. Like, big plans for the SS. You hear me? Big plans. Big plans. But like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do. You hear me?